Hello guys, in today's video we're going to go ahead and do the review on the dinosaur world. As you can see, we have the dinosaurs. As you guys can see, we have a lot of dinosaurs here. And they smell really good too. And this is like the dinosaur worlds. Ah, that's not getting out. It's stuck. Oh, it's biting each other. It was just biting him. You were just biting him the whole time. Okay. There you go. He's going to fall. Yes, he's going to fall. So we have this one. We're just gonna set him right here. And the last but not least, this one. Oh, I need that. As you guys can see, these are all the dinosaurs. If you guys like these, let me know. And these are what they look like. You guys can see. So here's the first one. This one is like more of like a cool one. What's that? I don't know what that was. But as you can see, this is the first one. This is his mouth open. Here's the second one. This one's probably my favorite one, but the thing is, he has a problem of like standing. He either leans like that or he just falls. See, this little guy has a problem of staying. So, okay, he's gonna fall. We all know that. We're gonna just have him like that. So here is the third one. This one's probably my other favorite one. This one's another big one, as you guys can see. We're just gonna put them right here. Here's one is my other one, my other favorite one, because it's blue and green. This reminds me of that time I did painting it. Oh my god. This top thing came off. So if you guys don't remember, or if you guys don't know, that I actually did painting dinosaurs on my vlog channel. I'll put that link in the description below, or you can see it right here. So yeah, we have this. So this one is what it kind of reminds me of. So here's the second one. Oh, poor guy, he just fell. Here's the second one. This one has more of like a long neck. You guys can see. So I hope you guys like these. Here is the last one. This one is like kind of a weird looking one, but it's my favorite because you see he has a long tail too. And he is all red, brown, and black, and more like an orangey. So these are all the dinosaurs. I hope you guys enjoyed this dinosaur collection, dinosaur world. You can make like a whole entire world out of dinosaurs. Like, wow. So if you guys want me to do a vlog video of me playing with this on my vlog channel, I'm gonna link down the channel, and guys, let me know if you guys want me to do like a whole video of me playing with these. So goodbye guys.